and mold the nails, etc. Each kit comes with different pieces. As the kit goes up, they come with more. So coming up is the bow that I put on most of my orders, or the packages like this, like the polygel kits. It's random. The colors just, I just pick a random color. I try to be creative with everything that I do. Like most of the packages and things that I send out are handmade and custom made. Excuse the noise in the background. That's my son. My kids are playing Madden and they get like super dramatic during that time of playing. But yeah, it's just like a bow, like I was saying. I put that on. I also add a business card inside of it with my name, email address, as well as the website, and I add a 10% off card to be able to use on the next order. I add those inside every order. If you're wondering what all of that is like in the background, that's my nail station that I do my press on and my polygel nails on. I'll do like a video of that another time and kind of show you around my office and like my desk space of where I get my most creative and get stuff done at. So normally I use a small flat rate box to ship the polygel kits in, but this time I'm trying something different and putting it inside a padded flat rate envelope. It's more secure and it's also padded, of course. So basically that's pretty much it. My labels, everything I print out from home. I have a workforce printer, Epson. I use Avery shipping labels to print those out. I already had one already pre-printed for this order, but yeah, that's basically it. I put it on, put it out, and there you go. So I'll leave a link in the description box for everything that I use as far as the shipping products, the labels, the utensils, all of those things. If you find this video useful, make sure you comment, like, and hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss my